Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to download Fortnite. I've been getting a lot of comments on my old videos like this one and this one. I'm going to update you every couple months on how to download Fortnite. And guys, let's get right into the video. Let's go. The first thing you got to do is go to the link. I'm going to leave it in the description. And then all you got to do is sign in, create an account. Once you do that, make sure you sign in and then click download right here where it says download in the corner. And then click the console you have. I'm on PC right now. I'm showing you guys how to do it on PC. And if you guys didn't know, Fortnite's been free on all platforms. When you buy at the store, you're buying a bundle of like skins or a battle pass with the game. The game doesn't really cost anything, but if you want to keep going, you just gotta keep, put your birth date. All right. I'm not sure why it's asking me to do this. I already did this. And then it's going to ask you again what you're downloading it for. And then just click save. Sorry for my slow internet. It's going to take 19 seconds. Speed it up real quick. Alright guys, once that's done installing, right click, open. And then I'm going to change the hard drive. I have two hard drives on my computer. One of them is full already, and I know there's another one in here somewhere. Yep, the D drive. I'm just gonna click OK. I'm gonna let it install in there. Then you click install. Then you click yes. Just wait, guys. Alright guys, it looks like it's doing the update. Alright guys, make sure you click yes. Alright guys, once you get to this point, you have to log in with the same login you used to log in on the website on here. You have to use the same login you used to get in here. I'm going to log in real quick. I'm going to skip over me showing you my email. I'll be right back. Alright, once you click sign in, it's gonna look like this, and then you're gonna get a bunch of I'm gonna get a bunch of friend requests because I already have it installed on my desktop. I'm installing it on my laptop right now, and then it's gonna ask you a destination to install the whole game. Like I said, my C drive is full, so I'm gonna choose a different drive on my computer. Choose the D drive, just click. You can create a folder that says Fortnite, but I'm just going to select it. And directory must be empty. And what does this mean? Auto options. Let's see. I've never been asked this before. I'll just click Battle Royale. Alright, so I don't know what you just have to click. Make sure you click this Fortnite folder. Well, I guess you have to create a Fortnite folder, and then click install. Once it is installing, guys, you just go, or this is gonna pop up. I hate ads. They never used to put ads on here before when they first started. Now they're just throwing ads at you now, which is crazy. Is this thing gonna load or what? Alright, so if you want to check on the progress, you just go to downloads. I don't know what this other window. Oh, is there friend requests that I've been, or you can send your friends friend requests, but I don't want to do that right now. But as you can see, Fortnite is 30 gigs. When I first showed you guys the tutorials, Fortnite was only 15 gigs. So yeah, now Fortnite is huge. If you have sucky internet like I do, I would suggest leave the computer on all night and check back in the morning, because this is going to take a while. Last time it took me one whole night and a couple hours during the day to download. It just depends on internet speed, guys. Yep. I'll be right back when this is done downloading. Like I said, this is gonna take a couple hours. For some people have that new gigabit internet. It will take probably like 2 minutes to download. all this. But for me, it'll probably take all night. I'll come back and show you guys what the game looks like, and I'm hoping this video is helping. And yeah, guys, I'll be back. All right, guys. After it's done downloading, it's just gonna look like this. It's gonna say Fortnite launch. If you click your downloads, it should be done. And the total size was 61 gigs, guys. I thought it was 30, but I left it overnight. If you look at the time, it's a whole different day. I left it for a couple hours downloading, and now it's ready. I suggest you guys do the same thing. Just leave it overnight because it's just easier. You just fall asleep, wake up, and it's ready to go. If not, you might have to wait a couple days. I've seen some people in the comments saying that it took a couple days. That's normal because it's a big game. It's not like 5 gigs or anything. It's 61 gigs. So yeah, guys, let's go right into it. All you have to do is click launch. Alright, guys, this is what it's supposed to look like. Just let it do its thing. Alright, so this is what it's supposed to look like. I am sorry about the volume and lowered. Yeah, this is my character. As you can see, I haven't played since Halloween. I suck at Fortnite, but if you ever see me on, and sorry about the fans, guys, they turned on. If you ever see me online, you could just add me at Brian CA and just join me, and we can play. And yeah, guys, let's get right into some gameplay real quick, and I'll show you guys that you can actually play. Let's go right into some gameplay. Let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? We're playing Fortnite, and there's a Star Wars event on here. I'm gonna try to find the lightsabers. I don't care how many games it takes, guys. I'm gonna find them, and I'm gonna destroy people with them, guys. Let's get right to this gameplay, and let's go, guys. I'm gonna land right here in where the pads are at, and we'll see if we get lucky. There's already a lot of people here, so I doubt I'll find it. I see something over there. Oh, these guys slacking, man. Oh, I found it, guys. I found it on the first try. Alright, guys, I'm being selfish. I took all the sabers, and yeah, boom. I just want to destroy everything. I'm not even going to use guns in this gameplay, guys. I'm just going to want to destroy everything with these. Look how fast this is, man. I'm so excited. I found these on the first try. Is it that easy to find them? Let me know in the comments. And guys, let's go get some people right now. Let's go. Alright, guys. Oh, we just spotted my first victim. Let's go. Boom, you're done. Guys, if my camera is laggy, I'm sorry. It's being it's a little not picking up my movements at all. I'm sorry for that. But guys, alright, guys, here we go. Oh, boom. Oh, haha. He sucks. I am the champion. That was cool, man. If we can get a replay on that. Alright, guys, here we go. Oh, boom. Oh, haha. He sucks. I am the champion. That was cool, man. If we can get a replay on that. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I got him. This guy's a noob for real. Boom, boom, boom. No, you. Bye-bye, lady. Sayonara. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, guys, I'm about to get this guy right here. Sneak attack. Boom. Yeah, come on, you can't trap me with that. Come on, boom. No match. Oh, boom. Oh, alright, come on, let's go. Show off. I got 8 of them. Boom. 5 of them. Sorry, can I count? Oh, why? Oh, you got me. Oh, right here. Come on. He's not even gonna know I'm coming back. Sneak attack. This guy didn't even see it coming. Boom. Goodbye. That was pretty sneaky. That guy's probably pissed right now. Mad. He's probably like throwing. He's probably throwing mad hands in there right now. I don't know, guys. Let's see if we can get some other people. Oh, there's no way. Come on, come on, come on. Get him, get him. Oh, and no. Failure. Guys, I'm using no guns. Alright, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I suck at this, so I don't play that often, as you guys know. And like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.
I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.